Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find the equations of the tangent and normal lines at a point on a curve. We'll be working with the curve y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4, and we'll find these lines at the point 2, 4. Let's start by graphing our curve and point. Here's our cubic function, and here's our point at 2, 4. To find the equations of the tangent and normal lines, we first need to find the derivative of our function. Let's find dy slash dx using the power rule and the sum rule. Now that we have the derivative, let's evaluate it at x equals 2 to find the slope of the tangent line. Plugging in x equals 2, we get 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2, which equals 12 minus 8, which equals 4. The slope of the tangent line is 4. Let's visualize this on our graph. To find the equation of the tangent line, we'll use the point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is our slope. Plugging in our values, y minus 4 equals 4 times x minus 2. Simplifying, we get y equals 4x minus 4. Now for the normal line. Remember, the normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line. If two lines are perpendicular, their slopes multiply to give -1. So if the tangent slope is 4, the normal slope must be -1/4. Using the point-slope form again, we get y minus 4 equals -1/4 times x minus 2. Simplifying, we get y equals -1/4 x plus 4.5. Let's summarize our results. For the curve y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4 at the point 2 for the tangent line equation is y equals 4x minus 4. And the normal line equation is y equals -1/4 x plus 4.5. These lines are perpendicular to each other and intersect at our point 2, 4.